Planning a wedding or a big celebration is an exciting journey, but when it comes to gifting, it often turns into a whirlwind of challenges. First, there's the endless search. You hop from one store to another, looking for something unique, only to find the same repetitive options. Even if you manage to discover the perfect gift, there's always a catch. Is it available in the quantity you need? If not, can you afford to wait weeks for it to be restocked or custom made? As time ticks away, another problem arises: presentation. Gifts for such special occasions need to look just as stunning as the event itself. But finding elegant packaging that elevates the gift is no small task. Most vendors don't offer packaging, so you will end up searching another vendor to handle that part. And then there's personalization. A truly memorable gift requires a personal touch, be it the bride and groom names, initials, or an important date. But finding someone who can customize the gift to your likings adds another layer of efforts. If you want to include thoughtful add-ons like dry fruits, sweets, chocolates, the entire process becomes even more complicated. You'll have to coordinate with multiple vendors and start the same exhausting search all over again. Now, even if you manage to find suitable vendors for each requirement, think about the next hurdle: bringing everything together. Once the gifts, personalization, packaging, and add-ons are ready, assembling and organizing everything takes more time, effort, and hassle than you might expect. Next comes logistics. How do you ensure bulk orders are delivered safely and on time? Coordinating with reliable shipping services, managing pickups, and making sure everything arrives in perfect condition can be a nightmare. And if the guest list suddenly grows, you'll have to scramble on additional gifts, more coordination, and even more follow-up. Imagine going through all this hassle only to end up with gifts that don't make the impression you hoped for. It's not just disheartening, it's frustrating. And let's face it, it can even harm your reputation with your guests. But what if there is one place that took care of everything? From unique gift and luxurious packaging to seamless personalization, thoughtful add-ons, and timely delivery? Welcome to Melange Gifts, where we solve all your gifting problems in one place. Here's why Melange is your perfect gifting partner. Our silver-plated gifts are unique and luxurious, guaranteed to impress. We include elegant gift boxes to elevate the presentation, offer seamless personalization for a personal touch, and handle logistics so you don't have to. From unique designs to stress-free delivery, we take care of everything effortlessly. We even offer additional touches like filling our silver-plated articles with dry fruits, sweets, or chocolate. No need to coordinate with yet another vendor. We have got you covered. With Melange Gifts, you don't just save your time and effort, you ensure a gifting experience that's as smooth as it is exceptional. So why deal with endless follow-ups, multiple vendors, and constant stress? With Melange Gifts, all your worries are solved in one place. Contact us today and let's create memories that you and your guest will cherish forever.